Hey guys, this is Yasmin, and this video is going to be about the evaluation of dental literature and biostatistics. So as usual, you're going to find this sign next to the most important information that you should know for your board exam. So let's start. There are different studies that are being done in the evaluation of dental literature world and biostatistics in order to um, know, for example, the prevalence of a disease or the efficacy of a drug, etc. So these studies are based on evidence. And what you should know is to take a general idea that there are studies that are more valuable than others. So the most valuable studies are the meta-analysis, systematic reviews, and randomized clinical trials. The least valuable studies are animal and in vitro studies, expert